Messi have in store for act number 4? Underway the round. See Dallas coming through as well. Maybe an early opportunity for Dallas. Ferreira just wide. Second minute, wonderful chance for Jesus Ferreira.
He's the focal point for this team. He's the leading goal scorer from last year, 18 goals. This year, 10 in the MLS regular season.
Giovanni Jesus. Oh, what a save! Ferreira puts it in, and the flag comes up on FC Dallas. So close to an opener, denied by the offside flag. Onside. Messi trying to get Taylor behind. Taylor up and running. Big block by
Tino and his 2 center backs. So much of that is off.
Taylor leaving it for Jordi Alba. Back to Lionel Messi. Like clockwork. Taylor, as you said, the question, does Josef Martinez affect Martin Paz?
No, he sees it the entire time. And there's been discrepancy in the MLS regular season decision. Gets the goal. This is the right decision. There's got to be nuance in understanding how this happens. But my word, talk about taking the energy out of the building with a great run-up and pattern of play with Gomez and Busquets getting their attackers in behind. Oh yeah, 6 minutes in, he's got his 6th goal for Inter Miami. Let's go.
Velasco over the wall and just wide. He knows he was close. He scored in the 8th minute against Atlanta, his first start. He scored in the 7th minute against Orlando, his second start. He scored in the 6th minute tonight. As Josef Martinez is taken down, and an early up. Quignon for Velasco. Yedlin had to intervene. He did. Corner coming for Dallas.
A good spell of possession from FC Dallas. Difficult for DeAndre.
Gomez thinking about it, sending it over and into the crowd. Scores his 6th goal and gives Miami a 1-0 lead. Here is Kamungo, came off from on Miller. Chalet! Farfan, O'Brien trying to get there, and then foul. Quignon, Jordi Alba knocking it back to Dre. Jordi Alba, Lionel Messi, trying to get it to Martinez, read well by
for both teams to regroup and figure out a way to finish off this half in the right way.
As a player, and is this an advantage having this hydration break?
Well, you see
Messi coming around to far eye. Lionel Messi to Josef Martinez. Big save. Martin Paz. And the offside flag does come up in the end.
And Josef
Ceded to him by Lionel Messi. Velasco serving it in over O'Brien. Clear and clean. Now Messi driving forward for Miami. Robert Taylor making a run. Messi through. Robert Taylor is in. Robert Taylor saved by Paz. And the rebound is there for Messi. Oh, he chipped Paz to far right back on his line to prevent the goal.
When are the Summer Olympics? Next summer, correct?
Correct. 6th most of 47 teams. Farfan, good ball in. Quignon! The answer from the 30-year-old Argentine. Dallas levels it 1-1.
Well, we spotlighted Quignon and so
Ran into Robert Taylor and stopped his run. Miami's going to win it back though. Martinez left it Cup match. Arcady with them is live on the pitch with Dallas's Sebastian Lletget.
Sebastian, you head into the locker room.
First time they've trailed with Lionel Messi, Sergio Busquets, and Jordi Alba on the roster. Cesar Ramos, the official, gets the second. Busquets into Messi. Messi through. Diego Gomez. That was blocked by Jesus, or was it not? It was just missed by Gomez.
Ridiculous from Sergio Busquets. Absolutely ridiculous. Eyes on the back of his head. Nobody sees this ball to Messi.
Farfan. Towards Kamungo. He was there for a second. And he put it wide.
He's just got a great sense.
Farfan floating in Ferreira. Missed again. That's the second chance he's had off his head. And he's been unable to put either on goal.
Yeah, but look at
Ladder only as far as Taylor. Jordi Alba again. Jordi Alba, good ball in. Martinez couldn't get it. Bounce. Ferreira is through. Miller chasing. Ferreira. Oh, come on, Miller. Alba plenty of time. Cutting it back towards Messi. Oh, oh. Busquets. And over. Wow. He's having fun. He's up. Draws the foul. It looked like Cesar Ramos gave it. Velasco will serve. Driven towards Lletget. And in! Dallas has the third. Velasco's taking credit. 3-1.
It is unequivocally the most dangerous set piece to defend. An in-swinging ball with runners in front of you in a set piece.
Here in Dallas, who paid hundreds of dollars to come here. Alba cutting it back. Krasinski scores! Minutes after coming on, the 18-year-old from Miami gets one back. 3-2. Velasco keeping it himself. Arriola cutting it back. Oh, what an intervention and own goal! Robert Taylor trailing the play
come through.